All right, so help me solve this SAT math problem, all right? All right, so this is the problem. In a group, 40% of the items are red. Of all the red items in the group, 30% also have stripes. So what percentage of the items in the group are red and have stripes? All right, I hope you understood the problem. So there is a group, right? So in this group, 40% of the items in this group are red. All right, so we know already that 40% of the items are actually red. However, of all the red items in there, 30% of those reds are actually, they have stripes. So the question now is, what percentage of the items in the group have or are both red and have stripes? All right, so what would be the percentage of those items that are red and at the same time they have stripes? Is it 10%? Is it 12%? Is it 70%? Or letter D, is it 75%? So I want you to pause this video if you want to solve it yourself, all right? And then come back later to check your answer, all right? So pause this video, all right? All right, ready? You paused it already? All right, so I'm going to continue and then solve this problem. And of course, I'm going to tell you exactly the approach, all right? Always analyze the problem first before you attack them, all right? So here's our solution, all right? The solution is, we know that 40% of all items are red, right? And how do we convert that mathematically? All right, that means 40, right? So 0.4, right? 0.4. Sorry, it should have been 0.4. It's not 40.4, but it's 0.4. 0.4 of the total items are red, all right? And among those 40%, 30% of them have actually stripes. So how would you translate this mathematically? So step one, how would you interpret of the red items, 30% have stripes? How would you write that into an equation? All right, of the red items, 30% have stripes. So to translate that into an equation, it is here, 30% of the red items. So 30% is 0.3, right? And you multiply it by how many red items there are, all right? That's how you convert it, right? 0.3 times the number of red items. That is 30% of the red items, all right? So step two, convert to a percentage of the total items. For instance, let's say, let n be the total number of items. So these are all the total items that is in there in that group, n, all right? And if we take 40% of that as red, that means 0.4 of the total items, which is n, is actually red, right? So the red items is 40% of the total items, which is n. Now, let's go to the stripes. Red items with stripes, how would you convert it? 30% of those reds have stripes. 30% of the red have stripes. Therefore, the answer is 12%. 12%. Because why? Because it says 30% of our red items is or have stripes. And we know our red item is 0.4n, right? And 30% of that is 0.3 times 0.4 is actually 0.12n. 0.12 is actually 12%. So 12% of the total items is red. Therefore, the answer is letter B. All right. It is quite easy, don't you think so, right? Do you have the same answer as me? All right, so if you have some more questions, just leave comments below, all right? And don't forget to share and like the video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe to the channel. All right, so I hope to see you again next time. We'll be doing a lot of these reviews of SAT math problems. All right, thank you so much, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Goodbye.